How to use Penfill. First of all, washing your hands well. Pull off the pen cap. Twist off the cartridge holder. The piston rod may stick out of your pen. Put it in until it stops. Slide an insulin cartridge into the cartridge holder with the thread end first. Twist the cartridge holder back on until you hear a click. Wipe the rubber cork at the end of the tube by the cotton swab with a rubbing alcohol. Remove the protective tab from the new needle. Screw the needle straight onto your pen. Pull off both needle caps. Keep the big outer needle cap. Pull out the dose bottle to unlock. Always test the insulin flow before you inject. Turn the dose selector to select 2 units. Hold the pen vertically and the needle on top. Hit the cartridge gently 2 or 3 times for the bubbles floating up. Press the push button all the way in. The dose selector returns to 0. Keep testing until the insulin squirts from the needle tips. It's make sure that any gap and air bubbles are removed. Put the small inner needle cap back on the pen if it's not the time of injections. If the medication are suspensions, you have to mix them by roll the pen horizontally on your both hands. Or swing up and down vertically. Pull out of the dose bottle to unlock. Check that the dose selector is set as 0. Turn the dose selector up or down to adjust the dose. For example, if you need 12 units, but you turn to 16 units, you can turn back to 12 units. Pull off the small inner needle cap. Press the Penfill in your palm and hold it well. The main injection sites are the stomach, side, or back of the upper arms. You should not inject the same side every day. You should move 2 inches away from the last side. Rub the skin by the cotton swab with a rubbing alcohol. Lift and fold your skin between your thumb and index finger. Insert the needle into your skin in the subcutaneous tissue. Press the push bottle all the way in until the zero line up with the pointer. The needle must retain under the skin at least 6 seconds before you remove the needle from your skin. Put the small inner needle cap and the pen cap back on. You will remove the needle until it's hurt your skin, or about 3 or 4 days later. Lead the needle into the big outer needle cap, unscrew the needle and dispose it carefully. Discard the used needle in the sharp container, such as disposal box or the closed bottle with the cap screw on. Put the pen cap on after using. Of the recommendations, the total doses of medications are about 300 units. You can see the remaining medicine at the scale beside of the pen. During the injections, if the dose selector does not return to zero, that means the medication is empty. Change the new cartridge and add injection by turn the dose selector until to the remaining dose. Keep the new cartridge in refrigerator. Do not freeze. You can use the pen in about a month and the room temperature. Discard after. If you get any side effect, such as low blood sugar, you can take a rest or drink a glass of juice and hard candy. Or if you have another abnormal signs or symptoms, you should go and see the doctor.